I'm Chris Nolan. I'm here with Sledgehammers Apparel and promotion companies. We're here at Summer Stomp down in Sicamous. We're doing the show. We're doing the freestyle show.
Just on one side and buy on the other.
Our band, Steel Toed, which is actually a play on words because we're all tradesmen, so Steel Toed with the TOAD at the end, and that was actually Tim's idea. We kind of really liked that name, so we stuck with that.
Basically a classic rock band. We have done some newer songs in the past, which are quite fine. We do a little bit of alt stuff like U2, Buck Cherry, bands like that. But we're just a dirty rock band, you know.
Yep.
There's not a lot to analyze. It's just loud and proud. We're a three-piece plus a killer vocalist, and what we do is what we do.
When we did our tracks on Friday, in the middle of my tracks, I was coughing up blood, still from the pneumonia, and all the engineers said, "That's rock and roll, man! You're spitting up blood." I was like, "That's rock and roll, baby."
Hey, so simple. When I jumped out, rock and roll. Ain't got no love, no love.
With things that have been happening in my life personally, I lost a good friend a couple of days ago, which was really sad. And I know damn well he'd be very happy that we're doing this, you know, still doing this at our age. To thank Keith Richards for that one.
My name is Jay Saltez. I'm from Oswego, British Columbia. I grew up there, been riding dirt bikes for about 22 years now, and jumping freestyle for about 10. You know, we got a pretty good crew, me and Kyle and Chris and Jeff. We spend a lot of time together practicing and riding. And
the simple life, it's so simple. When I jumped out, I get love. Ain't got no love, no love in the cold. Ain't got nobody. Yeah. Running with the devil. Running with the
Just about to get going again. We've had 5 bands last night and a whole bunch more today. I think there's about 12 or 15 altogether.
This by far has been one of probably the best events.
And the 2017 Stomp is the best ever. It's going to be even better next year.
Awesome. Cheers.
Running with the devil. Running with the devil. Running with the devil.
I'm Tom, I'm PG, coming up here for another year, second year I've been here at Sicamous. Just loving it. It's a great place to come visit. Excellent food, great events, amazing bands. I love it. I'm going to be here every year.